Can you hear me? Hi guys. Okay, so welcome back to our live stream session. Okay, so like I said on our previous live stream, I said we are going to be looking at the real market. Okay, and so here we are. Okay, so I'm sure we are all on our BtcDana trading application right now. So as you can see on my screen, okay, so on my screen here, I have the candlestick chart pattern. Okay, sorry guys, just a moment. Okay, so as I was saying, we have the I have the candlestick chart pattern on my screen right now. So if you have the app, I'm sure you are on the app right now. So you will definitely be seeing what I'm seeing. Okay. So now, sorry guys, I don't know why this thing is turning off by itself. Just a moment, please. Okay, guys. Sorry about the short break. So, like I said in our previous session, I said I was going to introduce you guys to chart pattern and how to analyze the market. Okay. So remember I said we have different type of analysis in the forex market. I say we have the technical analysis, we have the fundamental analysis, and then the last one we have the sentiment analysis. Okay. So I'm going to share my screen with you right now, my BtcDana trading app screen. So, but before that, I just want us to take a recap of what we've learned earlier, so that we won't be missing out on any important information. Okay. So remember I said we have the fundamental analysis, we have the technical analysis, and then the sentimental analysis. Then I explained, I said the fundamental analysis deals with social economy and political factors, okay, that affect uh, an economy. So they also affect the foreign exchange also. So when an economy is not stable, the forex also will be, looping around. Okay, then we have the technical analysis, which deals with the chart pattern, where you make your support and resistance, your technical analysis, the one you do your support and resistance, your trend line, and so on. Okay, so I'm going to my screen in a bit, but okay, let's go on. Then we have the sentimental analysis, which deals with the mind. I told you, I said it is not as important as the technical and fundamental analysis, because those ones, the sentiment analysis, this one deals more with your thinking faculty, like what you are thinking about the market. You are viewing the market, you are seeing the market, your thought over the market as at the moment you are looking at it. Okay, but it's best you stick with the fundamental analysis and the technical analysis. So the technical analysis is mostly what I want to deal with on this session. Okay, because it is very, very, very important that you know the technical analysis. I mean, it is the soul of trading. If you want to be a profitable trader, you must know how to analyze the chart market. Okay, you have to know how to analyze the market chart rather. The fundamental to seek for news of any economy, you want to know what is going on in that country. Then after order. I hope you are getting it now. So just permit me a bit. Let me share my screen. We are definitely going to leave a signal because I'm seeing a market change of character right now. So the market was previously okay, where we make our technical analysis. I'm sure before the end of this trade, BTC app. Okay, so you deposit on it. You tell me you deposit. Let me see it's either a screenshot or let me have an evidence of you of an amount you deposited on your BtcDana app. Then I'll get you on the premium group. Like I said, the premium group, we have a lot of benefit in the premium group. So you have access to premium signals. market report and more. Okay, so that is if you deposit up to $15. Then if you deposit up to $200, you get into the premium group, access to premium signals, market report, and many more. Then you get to have a private one-on-one class with me. Okay, an online Zoom session with me. So those are the benefit of you depositing on your BtcDana app. Okay, I'm not asking you to pay for anything now. Any money that you deposit on it is still your money. Okay, so you are using the money to make more money. You understand the saying now? If you want make money now, money to take the look for money. That is not necessary. But I hope you understand. Yeah. So on this platform, we allow you to learn, and in the process of you learning, you are making money. Okay, and that is amazing, isn't it? So sorry, I'll just try and reshare my screen again so that we won't take the whole of our day doing something else. Okay, guys, I'm really sorry about this, but I don't know why my screen is refusing to share right now. Okay, I think we are back. Sorry about that, guys. I just had to make sure that everything is okay. Okay. You know, I told you I love to make my own analysis using the candlestick chart pattern. Okay. So I don't know which one that you like, but this is the one that me I like. Okay. So this is how the candlestick chart pattern works. You can see this is our previous market and this is our current market. Okay. So now this is how technical analysis works. Okay, right now I want to make an analysis. So I want to make an analysis. I want to know where the direction of the market would be. I hope you understand. I want to know where the market is going. So doing this, I'm just introducing you guys to how the analysis will be able to do it yourself. So that in our next class, I'll just be asking you for screenshots. Have you done the analysis? Then you just be sending me your own screenshot. I'm sure by then you must have known how to make your own analysis, how to make the analysis yourself. Okay? I think this thing has gone off again. Sorry guys, my screen has gone off again, so I need to see what is going on. I don't know why this thing keeps dropping and dropping and dropping all the time, but I'm very sorry about that. Okay. Okay, guys, I think for now, let's just stick to our slides here. Then I can make an adjustment to my screen. Then let's see what we can do before the end of our session. Because right now, I don't know what is wrong with my screen. It just keeps going back and forth. Not the way I planned, actually. But I'm sure you guys understand. Okay, I'll just drop um, a screenshot on the screen so that you can see. I'm so sorry about this, guys. I'm sorry this isn't going the way I planned it. Because I wanted to show you guys the real Forex chart, how it's supposed to look like, so that you have the idea. So I don't have to explain every time. I don't have to explain myself all the time, okay? But it seems like a technical glitch, I don't know. But just bear with me, okay, please. Okay, I hope you guys can see my screen right now. Okay, sorry about this, guys. But let's just use this for an illustration sake. And because I've promised you guys that we are going to use the real chart, so that's why I'm doing this. So please, I need you to bear with me, okay? So I promise on my next session, on our next session, it's not going to be as hard as this. But for now, let's just stick to what we have, okay? Please. Okay, so let's go on. You see, look at this market. Look at this market. Come in. Let me just use another color to make it more bolder. Okay. So look at this market here. You see, we have the chart pattern here. See, the market was coming from up. It was up here, then it was coming down. Look at it. It was coming down. It was coming down. It actually wanted to go up around here, but it continued to come down again. Look at it. Went up to this point again, to this level again, then came back down. You see, came down, wanted to go up again, then it started coming down again. Now, this is our current market. If you are on XAUUSD, which is gold USD, okay, if you're on this chart right now, you see exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so it wants to break, and this is okay, sorry. Okay, so it wants to break this zone here. Okay, we call this a zone. You see, in technical analysis, there's what we call support and resistance. Okay, so you can also call it a supply and demand zone. Okay, so the supply and demand zone, they stand for where our orders are usually triggered. Okay, like when your order gets to that point, the demand zone, this is our supply zone, and this is our demand zone. So the demand zone is also known as the support, while the supply zone is also known as the resistance. Okay, so let me use support and resistance for easy understanding, okay? Now, this resistance here, there are sellers in resistance. When we say resistance, that means it's a place where there are so many sellers. They are actually waiting for the market to get to that point, then they sell. Okay, that is why anywhere we have a resistance zone, when the market gets to that point, the market usually sell. Okay, so it is opposite for our support also. So anywhere we have a support zone, there are buyers there. Okay, so and whenever the market touches the support zone, the people that are buying, they start placing their orders, and while they are buying, the market is going up. Okay, so you as a retail trader, what you want to do is when the market is approaching your support or resistance zone, what you want to do is you want to place your order. Okay, take for example, look at what happened here right now. The market was actually going to sell from this zone. How do I know? Because the market rejected about 3 times here. This is first rejection. Let me just take this out of it so that you can see it well. This is first rejection. Okay, this is our second rejection, and this is our third rejection. So those rejections here shows that there are sellers around this zone that wants to sell. Okay, because when the market got to this point, you see, it actually wanted to reverse from here earlier. So when it got to this point, it sold down. Then it went up again to that same level. When it got to the level again, it still sold down again. You see, and even happened for the third time. Okay, so anywhere you see a rejection like this, we call it resistance. That is where the market is trying to go up, and again, there's something that's pulling it down. That is a resistance zone. Okay, and again, look at this level. Look at this level here. When the market continued to come down, after it got rejected around this level, it wanted to come down again. Okay, so when coming down, there's something another thing, there's something here. There's something here that was pulling it back up again. You see, they were dragging around each other. See, they were dragging the market between each other. Okay, the market wants to go up, and then this one is pushing it down. Okay, so the one that is pushing it up is called support. The one that is pushing it down is called resistance. I hope you are clear. So whenever you see a rejection like this, whenever you see a rejection that is trying to go down, maybe a market is touching a particular zone, okay, it's rejecting in a particular zone. Don't worry, I'm going to show you another example before we end the live session, before the end of our live session. But I just want you to take note of something. Whenever you see a market rejecting, it's going up, it's going down, it's going up, it's going down. All you have to do is just draw those zones out. Okay, you want to draw your zone above, and then you want to draw where the market is rejecting below. So the one above is called the resistance, like I've said. Then the one below is called the support zone, like I've said. Okay, so and then the market will be jogging around between them. Okay, so when the market is approaching any of these zones, you want to place your order. Now, we didn't see this trade earlier. If not, we could have actually sold from here because this is a zone. And when the market touches it, it's definitely going to come down. And I want to sell from there. Okay, this is another zone. Now we can actually wait for our market to get to this point. When it gets to this point, it's definitely going to go up. Okay, because what I'm seeing here right now, as a professional trader, there's a tendency that this zone is going to get broken. Okay, in our live session, I made mention of something. I said there's what we call a retest. Okay, so before a retest, there's what we call a breakout actually. So the breakout is, you see, the market is rejecting from this resistance zone. Yeah. Now, if it gets broken out, this is a zone. All of this place is a zone. Now, we don't want our market to get broken out because we want to sell. Yeah. Now, if peradventure it got broken out, there's something we call a retest. You want the market to come down and turn this to a resistance, to a support zone before it keeps going up. Okay. When it breaks here. You want the market to come down, touch it again. That is, it's like a confirmation. Okay, because it's a support and resistance. And what pulls the market upward is support. What pulls the market downward is resistance. I hope you understand. I hope you understand my explanations. Okay, so now when this gets broken, what are we looking for now? We are looking for where our support is. I hope you understand. We are looking for where our support is because the support is what gets the markets moving upward. Now, when it breaks this resistance zone, we want our market to come and retest it so that it can turn it to support for us. I hope I'm making myself clear. Okay, so I will send another example here right now. Okay, so if you are on the live market, you see that it's still trying to break this zone. It's trying to break the zone right now. And if it successfully breaks the zone, the market would go further up. Okay, but what I'm saying, okay, this is the 1 minute chart. As you can see here, this is the 1 minute chart. We call this the 1 minute. You can actually change your time here. Okay, so the next one that I'm going to send is going to be for the 15 minutes. Okay, so on the 15 minutes, you're going to see how the chart looks like. Okay. So I'm going to send the 15 minutes chart right now. Sorry, guys. I wanted to do this from the live stream, but I don't know why it keeps looping on and off. So that's why I'm just trying to make it easier for us. Maybe at all, not bad pass now. At least maybe we get something today. At least by tomorrow, I would have fixed all of these. Then we can move on. Okay. So please bear with me for today. Okay. I hope we all can see my chat right now. So this is the 15-minute chat. So like I was saying, look at this. This is the 15-minute chat here. You see, look what happened here. Guys, please come on. What happened here? Remember I told you, I said, anytime the market drops down and it pushed up from a zone, it pushed up from a point, we call that point a zone. Okay, it's either a support or resistance zone. Okay, now that the market pushed up, try to buy, in fact bought to this level before coming down again. From my explanation, where do you think the support is supposed to be and where do you think the resistance is supposed to be? Yeah, come on guys. This is where the support should be. Look at this. This is where the support should be. I hope you are seeing it. This is where the support will be. Okay, and where is our resistance? This is where our resistance will be. Okay, because look at this. When the market, you see, the market was coming down from here, but immediately it got to this point. What happened? It pushed up. Okay, to this level. So this is our highest level. That is why I didn't mark this place. Okay, this is where the market actually started to reverse. If I should mark here, okay, I'm explaining this so that you won't make mistake when you are making your own analysis. If I should mark this area, let me mark it out so that you guys can see. Okay, look what happened. Because I know some of us will be thinking, the market rejected from here now. So why is this guy saying it's the other side? Look at this zone too. This is an example of a breakout. Remember what I said about breakout? This is a zone. This is a previous zone. This is the support zone. Why is it a support? Because when the market, you see, when the market was coming up from this level, it was coming. When it got to this point, there's actually a resistance around this zone earlier also. Okay, but it's a minor resistance. So we want to look at the big picture. See, I don't want to make this too hard for you. So that is why I'm making use of those terms, okay? I don't want to make it too hard for you. So look at this. We are looking at the big picture. The reason why we are not going to be using those zones are because, look at it, they are already broken out. So any zone that is already broken out, what we are looking for is a retest, okay? So we don't want to use such zone because they can easily make us get taken out of the market. Okay, so I'm going to delete this right now. I'm going to delete this, leaving this, and this. Yeah, I know I said we are not going to be using minor zones, but I just want to use this for I just want to use this for example. Okay, for example's sake, let's use this zone. Look at this zone. You see, there's a rejection here. The market went up, came down again. There's another rejection, went up again. That means we have a support zone here because any zone that is pushing the market forward is called a support. Anyone that is dropping it down is a resistance. This is a resistance here now. This is a support. This is a support. This is a resistance. Okay. But what happened here? What happened here? You see, our first zone got rejected. It moved straight up. The second time, it got rejected again, moved straight up. But the third time, instead of it to reject again and go up, instead it broke down. Okay, so this is what I call a breakout. I hope you guys are getting me. This is what I call a breakout. Now, this market is telling us that this market will go down further. But before we can place any trade on this market, what do we want to do? We want to wait for a retest. All this I'm showing you is called technical analysis. Okay, the sentimental analysis is assuming when I saw this market now, I saw that it's already broke out. Yes, I know it's going to go down further. Okay, yeah, it's going to go down more. But how do I know? Am I really sure it's going to go down? Because there should be another confirmation for me before I can place any order. Okay, now if I say this market will continue to go down, how do I know it's going to continue to go down? Yeah, it already broke out, but it is not enough confirmation, guys. So always wait for another confirmation. Now the confirmation is this is a previous support. Now that it got broken, it is going to turn it to a resistance. Okay, but before I know that it will turn it to a resistance, I need my market here to come. Okay, I need it to come above. I need to go like this, something like this. Let me show you. I hope you can see this dash. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. Sorry. I don't know why this is not picking. Okay, maybe I should just do it this way. Sorry. I don't know why that is not working. But let's just move on, guys. Okay, let's just move on. So I'm waiting for this market to get back to this zone. Okay, that is the previous zone, the previous support zone that got broken. So I want this candle from here, I want it to form back again. Okay, form back to this zone again before it continues its way down. Okay, I hope you guys are getting this. So I want it to continue to form its way down when it gets to this point. Okay, so that is my confirmation. That is a breakout and a retest. Now, when it retests this zone, it will turn this zone into a new resistance zone. This is our first resistance zone. This will be our second resistance zone. Okay, so it's the same thing for this market also. If it gets broken, okay, now when this market comes back to retest this, if it goes down below this zone, we are waiting for another word. We are waiting for another retest before we continue going down. Okay, so this market now, on the 1 minute, it shows that it wants to break out. Okay, but actually on the 15 minute, it already broken out. So what you wanted to do on the 1 minute is looking for a retest. That is what we saw on the 1 minute earlier. Look at this. This is the 1 minute chart. Okay, so this is our 1 minute chart. This is our 1 minute chart. You see, this is the same market. See all those things that I was trying to draw then. I don't know what happened. I don't know what went wrong. But they were actually all there. Okay, so let me just delete all of these. Okay. Yes. Okay, I'm sure you can see this, even though the color doesn't want to change, which I don't know what is wrong with it. Okay, so this is what we were previously seeing. Okay, so if you are currently on the market, you see that if you are on the 1 minute, on your 1 minute chart, go to your 1 minute chart. Okay, So if you're on the 1 minute right now, you would see that it actually broke it out, went up, then came back down again. But on the 15 minutes, it's telling us that it already broke out. And okay, so what I'm seeing here right now is, if you are currently on the live chat, what I'm seeing here right now is it already make a retest. So it's going to sell further. Okay, it's going to sell further. So I'm going to share my screen again so that I can place a sell trade for you guys to see. Okay, let me just try and share the screen again. I don't know what went wrong the last time, but let's try and do it again. So I hope this time around it works fine. Okay, so the zone we have down below is a very strong zone. That is this zone. It's a very strong zone. So we definitely want to wait for our market to tap into it. It's already tapping into it. So let's just wait for the close of this candle and let's see what is going to happen. Okay. So I'm just going to connect my screen now for you guys to see. Okay, so let me share the screen right now for you guys to see. Let me share my screen in 3, 2, 1. Yes. Okay, so this is the 15-minute chart, and as you can see, we have a very strong zone around this area. Let me just draw it out for you guys to see. Okay, so what this market is telling us right now is that sorry, my screen has gone blank again. Okay, so I'm just going to screenshot it and send it to you guys. Okay, our live session is almost coming to an end. I'm very sorry, guys. Actually, what I planned was that I actually plan on dropping signals for you guys today. so that we're going to start trading together. Yeah, but it didn't happen the way I've actually prepared. So please, I'm very sorry about that. Just pardon me. I beg. Find place for your hearts, forgive me. Because I know say some of us day here we say we don't look say since this guy is going to share this thing today, I know some of us even joined because of that particular analysis that I was going to share earlier. But I'm very sorry. Okay. So our next session isn't going to be like this, I promise. Things will be better by then. Okay. Yeah. Right now, I hope you can see my screen. Okay. Let's go on then. Now, look at this. This is still the 15-minute chart on XAU USD. So if you are currently on your live chart now, you see this market has been rejecting from this zone earlier. Okay. I told you we have the minor zone and we have the strong zones. Okay, so those are minor zone and those are the strong zones. Okay, so anytime you want to analyze any market, it is best if you go to a higher time frame. Say maybe your 1 hour. This is the 15-minute time frame actually, so you can actually go to your 1 hour or even the 30 minutes or even for the 4 hour time frame. Analyze your market from there. Look for where the support or the resistance is. Then wait for the market to get to that point before you start to place any trade. Okay, I hope I made myself clear. Okay, so this is our 15-minute time frame. Look at this market here now. He's refusing to break it. So it's reacting to this zone because it's a strong support zone. The market already rejected here. Don't worry about this. Those are wicks. Okay, they are shadows. So the real thing that we are looking after is the body of the candle. Okay, so this is another one here. This is another one here, and it's a strong zone also. So this market, if possibly it moves up to this zone, there's going to be a reaction here until it breaks it or it goes down. Okay, so that is just what trading support and resistance in technical analysis means. Okay, so guys, like I've said, I'm so sorry. This isn't what I planned actually for today. I was actually looking forward to, show you guys a trade in the real account so that you can start trading on your own account also. But now, sometimes you plan and it doesn't go well or it doesn't go the way you planned it. So today is another example of it. But I'm very sorry, and I promise you guys that it won't happen again. Okay, but please. So we are coming to the end of our live session because we only had 1 hour, and the 1 hour is almost elapsed. We've almost used, I think we have just 10 minutes more. Okay, so for the 10 minutes, I just want to know if you guys have any question that you want to ask me. Okay, so that I can quickly answer before we end the live session. Okay, so this is a Q&A session right now. So in case you have any inquiry, any question that you want to ask me on whatever we've talked about, or maybe how to deposit on the BtcDana app, please make sure you ask me right now before we move forward. Okay. You can use the box below to ask your question. So you can type in anything you want to say there, and I'll answer you. Okay. Let's go on, guys. Let's go on, guys. We have 10 minutes. If there's anything at all you don't understand about this, just let me know. Okay. Okay, guys. So I'm giving you the next 3 minutes to ask your question before we round up. Like I said, we have just 10 minutes. It's remaining 9 minutes right now. So we have just 2 minutes to ask your question. Let me answer you. Then we end our live session for today. So by tomorrow, we are going to be doing it live from our app, okay? Live from our chat. I'm sorry once again for what happened today. This wasn't planned, okay? This isn't how I planned it, because I know say Namite when I say I go show on a live session in the evening, but now live chat. I know see live chat show now, so please I'm very sorry about that. But on our next session, I promise you guys, it will be live from our BtcDana app. Okay. Okay. So if there's no question, I think we've come to the end of our live session for today. But please don't forget, before we go, I want to remind you guys again about our BTC Dana Premium group. Okay. So, like I said, all you need is just to deposit on your BTC Dana app. Deposit at least $15, and I'll get you into the premium group. You have access to premium signals, market report, and more. Okay. Then, if you deposit up to $200, you get into the premium group, not just the group. Oh, you get access to premium insight ahead, just like the $15. Then you have a one-on-one session with me for 1 hour. 1 whole hour, we are talking, we are sharing insights. I'm telling you about the market. You are telling me what you feel about the market also. You are sharing your screen with me. I'm telling you, okay, where you've placed your stop loss, where you've placed your take profit, where you've placed your order, that is where it should be. That is not where it should be. Okay, I hope you understand. So please, guys, deposit is for your own good. $15. No be me get them, now you get them. So you deposit, we get you into the group. I start giving you signal. You are learning and you are still earning at the same time. Seriously, that's amazing. You are earning, you are learning. You are learning, you are earning. Anyhow you want to put it. Okay? So that's how it is, guys. Please. And if you can you can even start depositing right now using the box below. Okay? Using the deposit option on your screen. Okay? So if you have any question about the deposit, please, you can just type it out and I'll be sure to answer you. Okay? $15 deposit. Guys, don't be me get this money. Oh. Please, let's be guided. I don't want anybody to come and be shouting, I was scammed, I was scammed. So please, let's stop playing. Okay? Don't be me get this money. I'm not saying sending it to me. Oh. I said deposit it on your BtcDana app. Okay? The money you deposited is your money. You will be seeing it. It's your money. All I want to do for you, I want help. You see, everything I'm trying to do is just a help. Okay? So I don't want you to just be learning, burning your data every day, just coming to learn. Okay? So I want you to be earning while I am teaching you how to trade the financial market yourself. I hope you understand. So please deposit at least $15 so that I can get you into the premium group. Okay, deposit up to $200. I get you into the premium group, and you still have a private session with me, a 1 hour Zoom session. Okay, so I hope we are all good now, guys. If you have any trouble depositing, just message me. Okay, message me using the box below, and I'll be sure to answer it. Or if you have any question right now, You can just type it out so I can answer before we end the live session. Okay. Okay, guys. I hope you are already depositing. Try and make a deposit before tomorrow morning, because on our next live session, we are going to start trading on our live account. Okay? We are going to start trading on our live account. So deposit now so that you will not be left out. Just $15. Deposit the $15 and you get the signal. Okay? If you don't deposit, I'm not going to give you free signal. Yeah, it's free, but you have to deposit. Because if you don't deposit, what do you want to trade with? Yeah? If you don't deposit, what do you want to trade with? Deposit on your real account, make money, make money. Everybody needs money for Nigeria now. Use your demo for learning. Deposit on your real account. Use it to make money for yourself. Okay? The $15 is not for me, it's for you. Imagine depositing $15 today, then tomorrow you took it to $30. Isn't that amazing? I go and deposit. Okay, so if there's nothing more, if there's no any other question that you want to ask me, I think we've come to the end of our live session for today. So the next live session, which is for tomorrow, will be communicated in the group. Okay. So if there's nothing else, I'd like to stop sharing my screen right now and see you guys tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your day. Okay. Bye.